counted out, push aside on my life. I've been studying the game, eyes wide on my life. I had to take some L still.
What is up, YouTube? This is Jolo2TV, back with more for you to see, and today we are bringing you yet another sneaker review. And today, man, I'm sorry, man, I'm selling out on Adidas big time in 2019 because Puma is coming with that heat. So the video I did before this was like the lifestyle slash running sneaker that Puma created, which was the RSX, and it was in the trophy colorway. I really think that Puma's is hitting it off with the dad vibes on that one, but this time it is actually gonna be the Puma's basketball. The sneaker we got here for you guys today is the Uproar ASG. Now this thing is pretty fire. Now let me just say, this is the right shoe and this is the left shoe. So something that I really got intrigued by, and this actually was supposed to be in a release for the All-Star week, and I really think they hit this off. I really wish though that they kind of sold these separately, like as a, you know, a pair in itself. So there would have been a purple pair and then there would have been an orange pair. Me personally, if I had to pick between the two, I really like this one just because the purple is really dope on here. And apparently this was supposed to be a tribute to the Charlotte Hornets. I don't know that their color has orange in it, but this one I actually understand why. But this is supposed to pay tribute to the Charlotte Hornets, which is where they played 2019 and the All-Star week with all the festivities and all. Let's go ahead and get right into the review. So right off the bat, I think what I'm already gonna get that obvious out the way is this fake kind of boost they got going on back here. I don't appreciate that as an Adidas head. I don't like the recreation of boost, and for me personally, on any of the Pumas that I've tried in stores that had that kind of version of boost, I never felt the same because they're not as comfortable. And if I'm gonna be 100% honest, I really think it looks a little tacky, being that I feel like Pumas and Adidas is like sister companies. I guess it's okay for them to be doing it, and it's not like a direct knockoff. Something that I do like is that they're coloring the boost, and that's something that I really wish that Adidas would really jump onto with a whole bunch of different colorways rather than just doing black and white and maybe here and there like a red or whatever. But they really need to switch it up on the boost. And that's part of the reason why I think that Pumas is killing it, is because they're taking the advice from other people and people that are actually wearing these sneakers, and they're doing something different. So if we're gonna go ahead and start on the side of the sneaker, you can see they got a whole bunch of designs, and right there on the bottom of the sneaker on the sole is gonna be like a gradient white to orange, which is leading to the different materials they got going on over here. The thing that I keep coming back to this little fake boost. It's not as bouncy and it's not as comfortable as boost. God, I'm sorry. I'm an Adidas head. Then you're gonna see that there's kind of like a navy blue going on the upper, and then it's gonna be that swoosh that Puma is known for right there on the side. And then something that I think is a nice little touch are these wings that are going on the sneaker. It's the orange on this sneaker, which goes around and wraps to the other side of the ankle. And then you go ahead and move on to the toe, which is gonna be that nice breathable neoprene. And then moving up, you're gonna see the different colors. See, the thing with this shoe is there's so much to describe. There's different patterns going on here on the toe. You got the light blue on this side and the navy blue on the other side. And moving up the tongue, you can see that there is this nice orange pull tab. And of course it has the Puma's logo. Now if you go onto the inside, it's basically the same thing, but on this side you see that there's a white going on here, and then there's going to be that Puma swoosh going on the inside. And you can see multiple materials being used in this, from that mesh upper to the different things that they use for the lace locks, and then on top of that there's going to be that nice rubber. Now moving on to the back, as we pointed out earlier, there is going to be that fake boost, but nothing wrong with that. You know, everybody's trying to get their own inspiration. And then you can see that there's that Puma's logo wrapping around that rubber kind of material. The one thing I appreciate about the sneaker is the ankle support. They actually have a nice cushion going on the inside, so it'll wrap around your ankle, and even when you tie the laces a lot tighter, they're actually going to be squeezing right here on these lace locks. So when you're making all those cuts and all those jumps and everything like that, you're gonna feel the difference because your foot is secure in the sneaker. Now when I put these on feet, they were actually not too bad of a basketball sneaker. They feel very similar to my favorite basketball sneakers from Adidas, which is the Crazy Team. Very cheap basketball sneaker that I love. Now if we're gonna go ahead and go over to this purple, which is my favorite, I really like that purple boost kind of vibe they got going on here. And then just the contrast of the teal, the black, and the purple, it just really hits it off. And right there on the toe box, on this one at least, you can see that there is a gradient going on, which is gonna go from this black to like a gray, and then it's gonna go over to this teal, and it's really cool because it mixes the color palette all together. I really wish that they made this one on its own as a pair. Having this combination of sneakers right here is a very, very cool concept. Now you can see that pull tab right there on both of them. They have the orange, of course, on this pair and the purple on this pair, and it has that nice Puma logo right there. And then they're gonna have these very, very nice pull tabs. And one little detail that I like that Puma added on here was the pull tabs on both the tongue and on the back. You're gonna really get your foot on there quick, and it's gonna feel very nice. I just like that nice little touch because it was well thought out and it's very useful, to be honest. But yeah, guys, I really think that Puma is onto something here with the color combination and their new basketball line. I really think they're hitting it off. These sneakers are just amazing. I'm really loving what Puma's is doing, and I might have to jump ship from Adidas. Who knows? I don't know. They're starting to get their own boost. Once they get this thing perfected and comfortable, I don't know, man. Adidas is in some trouble. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share Jolo2TV with the ASG out.
Tell me what you know, what you wanna know. If I said it once, then you better know. If you never try, you might never know.